Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. Welcome to another interactive game session that we do every month. So I asked you all a question which was, what do you think would be the best alternative career in another universe for an F1 driver apart from being an F1 racer? I got some hilarious answers and this is what you guys said. Chef Yuki. Yuki is such a chef person, that is true. Yuki would have been a great sushi chef and Gasly would have been his sous chef. Oh my god, Gasly and Yuki are such an adorable couple and that is true. I think Yuki for restaurant, that's his dream. Lewis Hamilton would be a model for clothing brands. I think he would own a clothing brand. He's too cool to be a model for a clothing brand. His fashion sense is definitely the best on the grid. Lewis as a UFC fighter. Oh, damn. I like that. I think I would also like to see Daniel as an MMA fighter or something like that. He looks kind of like street, rugged, ready for action kind of a thing. LH singer, CL model. LH singer? I'm not too sure about that. I don't think he has a very singer voice. Lewis for Prime Minister. Yes, Lewis for Prime Minister. Lewis has those vibes. Ham as an actor. Ham as an actor would actually be cool. I think he has like great presence and amazing aura. And I think he would be like good on camera as well. I agree. Alonso CID observes everything on the track. Yes, Alonso for CID. Alonso is CID. He's just driving cars for fun. Alonso as an analyst. I think Alonso would also be like a good therapist because he gives me like a very mentor vibe person. Join the donkey business as a consultant. That's a very, very interesting answer. Very smart. George in the marketing team as PPT creator. Oh my god, that is very, very smart. Russell would be a great actor. I think Russell would be a great actor, but I think he would be like a better teacher. He gives me like these professor vibes. I don't know why, especially with his accent and the way he talks and he's so polished the way he is. He gives me like professor vibes. Max is already in his alternative career. Max's homemade cupcakes. Like Two Broke Girls. Oh my god, I cannot imagine Max baking cupcakes. Max as daycare worker. Max as a daycare worker along with Lando and Daniel would be the best thing ever. I would film it and make it into a documentary. That's wild. Max can be a great F1 driver. Max will be a street fighter. I don't know why I want to see Danny as a street fighter. He has that rugged vibe. Charles and Carlos as models, that's true. Charles and Carlos Sainz are actually great models. People should be thankful in Monaco and Spain that they did not choose modeling as a career. Charles would be a ballet dancer and singer. Charles is a ballet dancer. Leclerc would be a good playboy, to be honest. Seb would be an amazing car show host. Yes, even I think that Seb would be a very good car show host. That's like an on-point one. Lance the tester. Lance the crasher. Lance the idiot. I don't like what he did in this Grand Prix. He's such a waste. Lance would be a great race marshal in case of crashes as he knows the walls pretty well. Crash tester for Lance Stroll. Yeah. Perfect. I'm so pissed at Lance Stroll after what he did today to Daniel Ricciardo. Not because I love Daniel Ricciardo, because he had the audacity to call him an idiot when he was literally not looking at him. And then he just like Daniel DNF because of him. And then Lance got a 10-second penalty and he was not even okay with that. At least own up to your mistake, man. Lance businessman. Lance is not a businessman. Lance is what my daddy will do, I will follow. Oscar play good cricket. I've actually not seen Oscar play cricket, of course. But he's from Australia and Australia is the nation for sports and cricket and also of course Oscar would play good cricket. But I think Oscar is like super calm in general. I think Oscar would have a very saint profession. I find him very surprisingly calm for a rookie especially. Lando a golfer. I think Lando has so many careers anyway that Formula 1 is just time pass that he does for a living, but I think that Lando already has too many careers. I cannot think of one career that Lando can do, but if there is something, I think he would be a great babysitter. I don't know why. I get very like nice baby vibes and he would be good with baby vibes from him. Lando will be taken by an adoption center. Oh my god, I was waiting for someone to say that. Lando working in a daycare as an Indian adoption center is the best thing ever. Bottas to travel agency. I think Bottas would also be like a good writer, like very witty writer for ads and all, changing the game of cinema with his wittiness and sense of humor. I think that's BOTAS for you. Thank you so much for participating, guys, and I will see you very soon with another game. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's so much fun doing this with you all.